Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson with another road sign, or what I like to call an anchor chart, to solidify our understanding of a given concept. And so with that in mind, I would like to direct your attention to the title, which is Subtracting Mixed Fractions. Your teacher may also refer to it as subtracting mixed numbers, but they are the same. You just simply see a whole number next to a fraction. And so what we're going to do, we are going to subtract 4 1/2 from 6 3/4. And so now how do we do that when the denominators are different? Well, we can use the least common multiple method. And the least common multiple method, we just simply count by the denominators. So in this case, what is the least common multiple of 4 and 2, since they serve as our denominators in this case? And so when we count by 4s, we go 4, 8, and 12. When we count by 2, we go 2, 4, and 6, 8, and so on, but we don't have to go that far because we see that 4 is the least common multiple of both 4 and 2, which will serve as our first common denominator. And so in that case, we're going to match 3/4 with 1/2. And so as you can see right here, we're going to go down here and we're going to concern ourselves with the fraction part first. We're going to concern ourselves with 3/4 and 1/2, and we're going to compare them with 4 as our denominator. And in this case, we see 3/4, and the only way to match it is if we multiply it by 1, because 4 times 1 will give us 4. Whatever we do to the denominator, we will do to the numerator, and 3 times 1 is 3. And so we're just going to keep 3/4 because it will suffice. 1/2 will be slightly changed, right? Because we know that 2 times 2 will give us 4. 1 times 2 will give us 2. And as you can see, 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. And so we're going to replace 1/2 with 2/4, and we're going to move right over here. And so now we still have 6 3/4, which we have right here because it's not going to change in this case. Now we're going to take away 4 2/4 instead of taking away 4 1/2. Mind you, they are the same fraction, okay? They have an equal ratio with them. So we're going to use 4 2/4 so we can have the same denominator to make our problem easier to work out. Now we can introduce 6 and 4. Okay, so now that we have our denominators in place, we can go ahead and solve this problem. We know that 3 minus 2 will give us 1. And we just keep the 4 in the denominator position. That is the theme of our fraction. That is the theme of adding and subtracting fractions, is its denominator, and 4 will stay right there where it belongs. 6 minus 4 will give us 2. And as a further illustration, we can draw a picture of this. We can actually draw 6 3/4. Okay, so as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3/4 of 1. So we're almost at 7, but not quite. And so now what we'll do, we'll just simply subtract 4 1/2 or 4 2/4 from this illustration, from what we see here. And the green ones show us which ones we're subtracting. Again, we're subtracting 4 2/4. So we're going to subtract this one right here, this one, this one, this one, and 2/4 or 1/2 of this one. And as you can see, we have 2 bright yellow circles with 1/4 of a yellow circle remaining, which means that we have 2 1/4. Again, anchor charts are a great way to learn a new topic. Please repeat the video as many times as you need to, and then pause and take notes. But in the meantime, for more videos, please like and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook. And until next time, have a great day. Goodbye.